I've had a very good tomato crop this year, but now on the 2nd of October I can see that blight has got hold of the existing tomato plants where the fruits haven't gone yet red. You can just see there a case of blight attacking the actual tomato. So instead of going a nice red colour ready to pick like those, it's gone this horrid sort of browny rotting colour, and so it's no good. So what you can do, and the giveaway sign are these brown spots on the stems of the plant. So what you can do is get the plants out, save the green tomatoes as best you can to make tomato chutney, and then destroy the rest of the plant. Some gardeners burn them because of the virus, not wanting it to enter the compost heap and then come back for another season. But you really need to get rid of those plants, get them out of the soil, give the soil a chance to recover. Hopefully no virus next year, although it's airborne, I think, tomato blight. So it should be okay. But destroy the plants, either burn or in a sack and down the tip.